Golem is a decentralized organization with a gathering of best programming designers who foster programming and innovation arrangements internationally. It makes a worldwide market for processing power, and the registering assets are open across the stage. It gives decentralized microservices and non-concurrent task execution. Adaptable apparatuses assist the engineers with making and convey, and furthermore adapt their product arrangements. This multitude of administrations are accessible for a charge, similarly not as much as contenders. The Golem biological system plans to give programming advancement, AI, and logical computation, which are the fate of web blockchain, accessible and available for everybody. Golem was presented in Switzerland in the year 2016 by the Golem production line. It was helped to establish by Julian Zawistowski, Andrzej Regulski, Peter Janiak, Alexander Skr Zipczak. The organization sent off in 2018, and the ICO cost of GNT around then was 1 penny. At the point when the frenzy of digital money was controlled, Golem detonated from its cost levels. What's more, GNT displays an unexpected meeting to $1, which was astounding, and an overbought position for another digital money around then. The environment incorporates individual and expert software engineers, Golem application vault, requesters, and suppliers. Golem Undertaking's local coin is called GLM, which was relocated from GNT. Elements of Golem. The adaptable open-source Golem stage permits shared networks, which give awards to both application proprietors and clients to lease suppliers' assets. It is portrayed by availability, open access, control-safe convention, and adaptability. The relentless environment is an aid for programming designers. SDK assists with grasping their innovativeness and exhibitability to the world. The registering power can be pondered as the two frameworks as a help and programming as an assistance. The installment frameworks are effectively open, modest, quick, and secure. The supplier establishment has been set up on the Ethereum mainnet, so when the supplier dispatches it, he will get a GLM token as a prize. On October 11, 2021, they declared the Beta 3 delivery, which upholds VPN and client use administration. The organization has presented Thorg, the main mining application worked in Golem, which is hoping to give more elevated level local area commitment. Golem leads a prize administration program much of the time, which guarantees fabricating an enormous client base for the stage. The guide of the Golem has been separated into metal, earth, stone, iron. It has teamed up with speculative chemistry with an undertaking called Get to Know Life at Golem. Golem has faith in the chances of Web3 and cooperated with Crowd, which is a specialist in the game improvement field. They have been related with better advancements in the framework. It's gone on up degree in innovation principles gives programming designers to track and run with the product advancement world. GNT to GLM relocation. Golem organization token GNT is relocated into GLM. GNT was the previous badge of the Golem organization, which has begun to relocate into GLM toward the finish of 2020. GLM is an ERC20 token. Its huge exchange costs have applied the expense of movement exchanges in Ethereum on the grounds that Golem's new exchange network is built in Ethereum Layer 2. In any case, this movement cycle is going on. The explanation for the movement is that the coin sent off in 2016 ERC20 token was very little famous. ERC20 is currently openly available in Layer 2, DeFi, and decentralized trades. Expanded acknowledgement, usability, and adaptability of ERC20 have caused Golem to move into another coin. There are basically three choices for movement. First is relocating with the web utilization of Golem called MetaMask. The second is relocation from the Golem application assuming you have an extra Ethereum account. The third is bringing in Golem keys to MetaMask. Market status of Golem. The market cap of Golem is $399,187,312.82, with a flowing stock of 1 billion GLM. At present, the greater part of the computerized coins are exchanging red and level after an enormous convention. Just certain coins are up on the week because of the positive declarations. GLM gave a 8% revisitation of their financial backer over the most recent half year and 3% cynicism last week. Despite the fact that it requires an additional 3 years to cross the unequaled high of GLM on Golem cost forecast, it ought to be noticed that the plan of action and administrations given by the stage are profoundly demandable. The contemporary innovation world is taking a gander at the decentralized framework and progressed blockchain innovation stage, which likewise has huge development potential. Specialized investigation of Golem. The Golem cost today is around 39 cents. And it confronted a slight remedy with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $9,119,492.79. The most extreme cost as of now is enlisted at 43 cents, and the base cost is 39 cents. The record-breaking excessive cost at which Golem GLM exchanged is $1.25, which was in 2018. An everything time low is noted at $0, which was in 2016. verifiable information, and the specialized examination mirror that in the month-to-month outline from 2018 to 2022, Golem cost has on a round-based development executing little-worth exchanges. The GLM cost rise has seen bullish toward the start of the year. From June 22, 2021, the cost of the Golem has started an upswing which wound up at a cost of 78 cents from 76 cents low. Then, at that point, after a cost revision on Golem tokens took support at 50 cents with a morning star development. Be that as it may, the upswing couldn't be supported, and GLM cost began moving sideways for the last barely any exchanging meeting. The cost volume pattern of the drawn-out cost graph from 2018 to 2021 appears to be intriguing. Note the huge cost change on the graph. The cost to volume marker is profoundly unstable, which demonstrates some time the coin has been controlled, and cost and volume have disparities in conduct. Presently, regardless of whether the cost is attempting to push high, the volume has not expanded much contrasted with past exchanging areas. The purpose for such a contention is the high unpredictability of the crypto market, which vacillates and for each and every adjustment of the economy. Throughout the time span, digital forms of money are supposed to be exceptionally demandable since they nullify the worries, exchange time, and charge of government-issued types of money. Golem Value Forecast 2022. Golem gauge information for 2022 is tolerably bullish. The base GLM cost could reach 49 cents. Golem merit effective money management to contact a limit of 56 cents. In light of the drawn-out gauges, the Golem will exchange with a typical cost of 52 cents. Dealers can put resources into Golem for the medium term to acquire huge benefits from their venture. Golem Crypto Value Expectation 2023. The cost expectation Golem for 2023 from all specialists guessing that the Golem cost will raise a ruckus around town value level of 63 cents. The typical cost and least cost of Golem for 2023 is 58 cents and 53 cents individually. GLM Value Expectation 2024. Interest in any monetary road generally expects the worth of the organization will increment in the long haul. Likewise, dealers and financial backers can expect a cost ascend later on cost of Golem. In 2024, Golem could exchange with a typical cost of 61 cents and is supposed to outperform 72 cents around the same time according to our figure. Golem Coin Value Forecast 2025. Golem aficionados are bullish on the Golem gauge for 2025. Golem cost dominates the greatest degree of 88 cents. The base cost and normal cost could reach 69 cents and 78 cents individually. Crypto is known as the fate of monetary forms. The whole crypto market is anticipated to be bullish for the year. Golem Value Expectation 2026. There may be a slight rectification in the year 2026 when contrasted with 2025. In light of our conjecture, in 2026, the cost of Golem is anticipated to be around a base cost of 65 cents. It can cross a greatest worth of 77 cents with a typical exchanging worth of 72 cents. Is the Golem is a wise venture? Golem GLM on our cost conjecture showing it will give a decent return in future. Putting resources into the Golem will be productive in a future point of view. Golem cost forecast relies upon different variables, so it isn't required